Hi there, welcome to another Brickright video. So I'm just taking you up to Aberfan for the extension job we're working on, just to give you a bit of progress on what's happening on there. Weather's kind of taken a bit of a turn for the worse, pouring down today. So let's take you up, let's have a little look. And big news is I'm going in for an operation, and I'll be off for, I don't know how long for, however long it takes to recover. It's a hernia. So yeah, it's just Fraser's going to take over. So anyway, let's take you up there. I wanted to show you before I sign out and show you where we are with it. So see you up there. There we go then. So that's the gable we did. That's the other one there. All the cavities closed off. Look, that's that one. Nigel's getting on with the roof, which I'll show you. I'll show you what he's up to now. There we are, look, I can't get up there because Nigel's rained off and I've just popped up here just to show you. Starting to get all the rafters on the front. All coming together really nice. You can see what we did. All the cavity is all closed off and all sorted. All job done. There we go. You can see where we blocked up there. Yeah, so it's all starting to take shape. It's been really awkward for Nigel, and he's done a really good job so far. And if you've got any koi carp on the go, chuck us a couple because we'll get a good few in there. Got to get this roof on now because the rain is coming in. Well, obviously we're into December, so we just want to get the roof on, windows in, and then we can concentrate on the inside. And that's the plan. But today, no go, pouring down, terrible day. There we go. That's this side. I just need the weather to just bugger off and give us a dry day. Nigel can crack on, Henry. There we are. It's looking good. So this is where we are with the inside of the existing house. If you remember early on in the videos, it was all gutted. Fraser blocked this up. We put lintels up there. You'd have to go back in the videos to see what it was like. So it's all been plastered. That can't be plastered because we got to take that door out and put a door liner into plaster to it. That's why that's been left. So all up the stairs, all been done. Lights are on. Chris has come in, my mate, and done that. In here, Nigel's keeping a load of his scaffold in here, but all this has been plastered and done. Now, I think this is like this because this house hasn't had any heating in it for over probably 2 years, maybe more. So it's all vented. Look, we put vents in there, and there's a vent upstairs, which I'll show you. So you can't do any more. And it's been insulated and waterproofed outside because it was lateral damp coming through. So I'm hoping you get some heating on, which is this week, and we can start seeing these dabs on the walls going. It's a bit of a concern because a lot of it is on the stack, but in the roof it's all been closed off and it's dry. So yeah, that is, the jury's out on that one. So hopefully these vents and a bit of heat works. So this is the upstairs room now. Say, you've got a vent in there, look. I've actually drawn some circles around to see if they're getting bigger or smaller. So there's a couple on that stack as well. But we've only just put the vents on. They've only just gone on. We haven't bothered putting them in because we had other stuff to do. So hopefully it works. Obviously Nigel's starting to get the doors on, skirting boards on. This is this room. So this is the back annex, as we call it. We had to block that window up to make it smaller because the roof kind of comes to here. This is the window we made bigger. Originally, the window was this size, look. Just coming up. So we've made that, put a brand new lintel in, made that window bigger, wider. So that's that one. That one's been reduced. For the same reason, the ledger plates are outside there. Boiler's in, power's on, so that's all ready to be commissioned. Plumber's coming this week, as I just said. Let's take you through this one. This is the back bedroom, so the painter's already started getting a mist coat on. That's this one. Steve's come in and done me a favour with that, so thank you, Steve. This is the bathroom. So they've had these panels put on the wall from Easy Panels. Yeah, what can I say? That's what the customer's chosen. Nice walk-in shower. Spotlights. Toilet, radiator, vinyls in for the floor. Got to finish this off around this window because our window I'm long gone in, and the bathroom's done apart from painting the ceiling then. Oh, I'm getting soaked here to show you all this, and it's bloody freezing. But you know what? It's warmer outside here than what it is in that house. It is freezing in there, and as soon as you come outside, you can notice it's warmer outside than what it is inside. So that heating needs to go on. But that's the job Nathan's done. It's all been insulated and silicone rendered on the outside, and you can just see the back end of the extension on the other side now. Nigel started getting his roof on. We've blocked up the side bit here, closed the cavities off. And yeah, Scott Tidy Bricks pressure washer, he come up and jet washed all the guttering for us, so he's done that. So yeah, starting to get there. The delays haven't helped, but there we are, you got the gist of it. And here comes the rain again, absolutely tipping it down. The River Taff in Pontypridd is looking like it's going to come over again. So yeah, you get the gist of it with the house. It's getting there. All the delays haven't helped us. It's been a pain in the arse. Customers got a bit frustrated, but he's okay. He's all good. We're all good. We just got to get the roof on, get the windows in, get the central heating on, and then I'm hoping things will start coming together inside. Then we won't be held up by the weather. So yeah, I spent over £2,000 on Uncle Bryn, central heating and bits on the van, the heater matrix and that. And I'm currently sat here freezing my gonads off because I got no heating in the van, even though I've spent over £2,000. So yeah. So there we are. I'm off to have my operation. Fraser is hopefully gonna try and do the YouTube and carry on, because he's going to be on his own now, so you can follow his progress. He's on site doing a patio. Well, he's trying because of the weather, so we keep you in the loop with that. And yeah, it's a hernia operation I'm going to be having, so hopefully all goes well with that. I recover quick and I'm back. So until then, have a lovely Christmas, you and all your family. Have a lovely happy new year. Thanks for all your support, your help and everything over the last year and previous years. And I will see you when I'm back, probably in the new year, fatter, greyer and older. So see you then. Take care. Cheers. Like and subscribe. Ta-ra.